Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can input or remove a battery on the MAXCOM phone. So to do this you have to open this box and find the battery. It will be located just right here next to other accessories. And simply open this foil. Take it off. Next we have to grab our phone and we have to focus on the right bottom corner. As you can see right here, we are able to use our fingernails and easily remove this back cover. Do this gently to don't break anything. And as you can see right now we are inside, and to put the battery we have to do this like that. So we have to stick these pins to this part, press on it. As you can see right now it's located on our phone. If you want to remove this battery, just use this part. That's also the place where we can input our fingernail. As you can see, the installation process is very simple for this battery on this phone, so that's how we can do this. Next you can simply put back this cover, and to turn it off you have to use this power button. It's located just right here, so we have to click and hold this button, and as you can see right now our device is working. So that's the way how we can input or remove battery on the phone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.